cook. And konnichiwa. Good stretch. Hey guys, konnichiwa. Aku's sleeping on the bed over there. A bunch of stuff on the table. My wife Rachel is doing her DIY project. I'm really excited how it's gonna turn out. Anyway, thank you to Sakurako for sponsoring this video. And this time, I'm gonna challenge this snack. The crispy rice snack. All right, let's get started. Rice. All right, first I'm gonna make rice puff. And it's better to use old rice because it's more dried up and it's less moistured compared to fresh new rice, shinmai. It's better to use komai, old rice, than shinmai, new rice. This is the rice we got from our farmer neighbor, like last year. We got so much that we can still finish the bag. We're so lucky. Anyway, deep frying rice. I'm gonna deep fry it because I don't have the special machine. And I'm gonna use koneabura, rice oil, but you can use like canola oil instead. It looks like they can't stop looking at local kitty sleeping on our car. Okay, the temperature is 170 degrees Celsius. That would be 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Rice puff. I didn't know you moved up there, Pokey. He always comes here when I start cooking and then try to steal whatever he can eat on the counter. I can't let my guard down. Yosh! Ta-da! Puffed rice. It's ready. Alright, you got curious? Rice puff. Mizuame. Starch syrup. Sugar. And almond slices, food coloring, and I could not find a fancy strawberry extract, so I'm gonna use vanilla extract instead. He's purring. What's up? What's up, good boy? And almond slices. You curious? Oven, crispy rice puff, chips. Right, judgment time. Thank you to Sakurako for sponsoring this video. Sakurako is a monthly Japanese snack subscription box that lets you experience Japan from the comfort of your home. They partner with the local Japanese snack makers to provide 20 traditional, authentic, and artisan Japanese snacks, including Japanese tea, and a special Japanese item every month. This time, it's Neko Sakura dish. And this month's theme is Beauty of Sakura, Sakura no utsukushisa. It comes with a booklet that has information about all the snacks, ingredients, and allergens, as well as Japanese culture. If you're interested, you can use my code in the description to get $5 off of your first box. You two are settled? Hey, excuse me. Which snack do I want to try? Oh, okay. I definitely want to try the Sakura tea. And this looks pretty good. The fancy mochi with Sakura syrup. And of course, rice puff. Sakura tea. The fragrance, the sakura. Sakura no kaori ga sugoi suru. Sakura tea. And kuzumochi. with sakura honey syrup. And then rice puff. As I thought, this rice puff is way more puffed and looks much better. Super fancy sakura tea break. いただきます。桜くず餅。It melts on your tongue immediately, and it goes really well with the sakura's honey syrup. This is really good. It's a nice sakura tea. You can actually eat sakura pero if you like. The sakura itself is actually a bit salty and it has like a lot of unique umami. It almost feels like I'm drinking kombucha. But the tea is sweet. The one on the left is the one I made. The one on the right is from Sakurako.
Such a pretty pink.
Okay, start with mine. Let's start with mine. レイチェル、ジャッジお願いします。
June, it's so hard.
It is.
硬い。
硬いね。
Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna crack my teeth.
1 out of 5.
Yeah, I gotta say maybe 1 out of 5. The one's for flavor.
Me too.
1.5.
All right, let's treat ourselves with an actual nice rice puff, actual puff. いただきます。
はい。
Yeah, this is the way it's supposed to be.
Really good.
It's really good.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
And I appreciate the effort.
I agree. I can't agree more. All right, epic fail. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I'm gonna really enjoy the rest of other Sakura snacks. Sakura season is coming, Rachel. I'm really excited. Let's go see Hanami.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.